In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Dutch baby pancake recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need half a cup room temperature milk, 3 room temperature eggs, half a cup of flour, powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, or any berries of your choice. We're going to place our cast iron skillet in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to heat it up. In a blender, add in the eggs, milk, vanilla extract, salt, nutmeg, sugar, and the flour, and blend until completely combined. We're going to remove our cast iron skillet from the oven and immediately add the butter while it's hot and melt completely. Once the butter is melted, we're going to pour in our batter mixture. We're going to place this back in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Top your Dutch baby pancake with powdered sugar, and any berries or fruit of your choice. Our Dutch baby pancake is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.